Hey guys, hi, this is Tulsi. Welcome back to my channel. I share videos related to art and creativity on this channel. So if you love art, do consider subscribing to my channel.
Okay, so here I'm using a cheap quality sellotape for masking. Reason being that whenever you remove the sellotape, the paper doesn't tear off with it. Then some gouache colors. Everything that I'll be using, the links for all will be mentioned in the description box below. If you wish to buy it, go and click on the link. Let's begin with the painting. Here is the reference image for today's painting.
If you like today's painting video, hit the like button below. Also, do suggest what other art videos will you like to see on this channel. Comment your views below and do subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below. To watch more painting videos, you can click over here. To watch other art videos, you can go and click over here, and to subscribe to my channel, which is necessary and must, you go and click over here. Until then, stay tuned for more videos. Bye, take care.